Case you need your Gele to be tight.
Dead beauty, looking good and looking nice. Dead beauty,
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
dead beauty,
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go. The beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go. The beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go. The beauty house.
Carry me, carry me, carry me, carry me, carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go. Jehovah carry me they go. The beauty house. I'm so blessed with the blessings of God. I am so blessed with the blessings of God. Anyone I touch surely must be blessed. I am so blessed with the blessings of the Lord.
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Deck Beauty. Today I want to show you how I achieve this bridal fan Gele. I want to carry people along. Yes, so let's enjoy this tutorial together. Today is our traditional marriage day. Yes guys, this material is called ashoke. This material is called ashoke. I divide the length into 40-60. I just make some more plaity at the front because the side, the back side of her hair, I'm going to bring out her hair out. Yes guys, this style is called side V shape. Side V shape. You know, we have the middle V, we have the side V. Yes, so most time we always do the middle V. So this time we have decided to do side V shape. Yes guys, side V shape. So I was trying to make sure the V is not just at the middle, little bit side. Yes, so this is what we are achieving. This is what we are achieving. Focus your eye on my aunt. You understand one or two things. Today is her day. I don't want to stress her too much to start telling her turn your back, bring your back. But the main thing, the back is just normal. There is no big deal about the back side. All we just do at the back is I just try and wrap the back side neat. Yes, now I'm going to achieve more plaity as well. More plaity as well in this side. You know, V is not just the way we do the normal front plating. Once you start V, first you cover the first ear, one side ear. Then when you are coming with the 40, you will now, when you are coming with the 40, you will now cover the other ear, the other part. Yes, I was trying to make sure the V is not proper at the middle. That is what I was trying to do. I was trying to make sure the V is not proper at the middle, just to give a little change of the normal V we normally do, that we normally put at the middle. Yes guys, in case today is your first time you come across my video, I am Deck Beauty. I base here in United Kingdom, London. I base here in United Kingdom, London. Contact me for your events. contact me for your events. I'm available to travel. Just contact me for your event. We are into makeup, gele, traditional bridal hair. We do the white wedding hair as well. We sell makeup products. We sell oil perfume. We do photo shoots. I have my studio here in London where I do photo shoots. You can come and do your birthday photo shoot. Your any type of photo shoot, we are into it. Yes, contact me. My number is there. The end of this video, you will see my number is there. Yes, guys. So we are going to continue with the 60 now. So I managed to place the V at the side. So we are going to continue with the 60. Yes, so I will extend that 4 to 3 plaiting. I will extend it to the back side and knot it. Guys, I have many videos on my YouTube channel that will help you. In case you want to learn how to achieve gele head wrap on your head by yourself, or you want to learn how to make up your face by yourself, we have different type of makeup. But these days, I always upload gele head wrap on my YouTube because I observe that my followers, my subscribers on YouTube, they don't like makeup video. I always get few views on makeup videos on my YouTube channel. So that is the reason I just decided to be uploading just gele. I don't even film any makeup video because it's of no use uploading makeup video. You get little view. When you upload head wrap gele video, you get more view. So, but I uploaded this year. I uploaded in January. I started in January, episode by episode. In case anyone have interests, you want to learn how to apply makeup on your face by yourself. So all you will do, go and watch the makeup video. I title it episode by episode, episode 1 to episode 7. The reason I make that video is I split that video into 7 places. Full face makeup, full face, how to apply makeup on your face by yourself, full face. I split it, I divide it into 7 places. That is the reason I title the video episode 1, episode 2 to episode 7. In case you want to learn to apply on your face by yourself. Because what I decide to be doing, anytime I want to do makeup video, I just go live on my Facebook. In case you are watching me from YouTube, you want to learn more how to apply makeup, I always do live on my Facebook. And I just open my another Facebook page now, which is called Deg Beauty Life. Yes, now I have 2 pages. The first one is Deg Beauty, which everyone know, Deg Beauty. So the recent one is Deg Beauty Life. So that life is spelled like when you are live on Facebook, live like L-I-V-E. So that one is just for, I will try to be doing live on Facebook there. My main page, I will just be uploading like this video. I'm going to upload it on my main page, Deg Beauty. But if I want to teach people how to tie gele on their head by yourself, how to do makeup by yourself, summer makeup, simple makeup, we have different type of makeup. So follow me on my new page, Deg Beauty Life. Yes, thank you guys. I have simple hairstyle on my YouTube channel. In case you want to learn how to tie simple one on your head, I have different type of style. I have the difficult one, I have the simple one, I have the 3 minutes, I have the, so go there and rock. Just rock yourself. Thank you guys. Contact me. We sell makeup product as well. I already said that before. Yes, what I am just doing there now, I'm just trying to maintain the back side because the back side is important as well. I'm just saying to, I'm folding the excess, then I will just use pin to pin there. I don't want to stress her, as I said before. Even the shell we are using is not the type of shell she can be moving around.
To give me that feeling, to make you feel lovely, yeah, yeah.
Anywhere you go, you need some makeup love. That beauty.
In case you need your Gele to be tight.
That beauty. Looking good and looking nice. That beauty.
Don't miss the opportunity, just call on day.
That beauty.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go, the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go.